This is Jerry. And this is Carrie. Both are skilled, high-performing employees for a specialized company just like yours. And both are taking advantage of their organization's training programs. Jerry's company has him watch a video and take a traditional knowledge assessment. Carrie's company uses Skillable with experiential learning opportunities that allow her to develop her skills in real-world scenario-based challenges. Jerry is answering the occasional multiple-choice question, and if he doesn't know, he likes to guess B. Carrie is going beyond basic questions by demonstrating how well she can apply her skills in tasks she will experience on the job. Jerry is simultaneously drafting an email and searching for new lunch places.
Ooh, ramen.
Carrie is fully immersed, actively practicing the real-life skills she'll need to be successful in her role and organization. Once finished, Jerry has heard and read a lot about a new skill and receives a completion certificate. It even has a trophy on it. Once she's finished with her virtual lab, Carrie and her manager get insight into her skill strengths and weaknesses. Leadership is happy because they have performance-based evidence validating her skill mastery. And Carrie's happy because she's more confident and proved she's ready for the next big project. Despite companies spending $363 billion globally on training last year, 70% of employees like Jerry say they don't have mastery of the skills they need to do their jobs. Skillable is taking a different approach, helping companies empower customers, partners, and employees like Carrie with skill validation, job readiness, and experiential learning opportunities. That's performance-based skill development. That's Skillable.